Hello, welcome back to my channel. Before I start, I'm going to say please forgive me if you hear the lawnmower in the background. It's my neighbors and there's not much I can do about that. So in this video, I'm going to show how to remove a automatic safety selector. So you're going to see these commonly on YUGO pattern AKs. Some other ones will have a automatic safety lever. Now what that means is you cannot simply flip this safety lever up to remove it. So most other AKM pattern rifles, you can just flip this up to safe and then flip it up again. So you can rotate it up 90 degrees to remove the safety lever. These ones you cannot, because down in the trigger right here, the trigger lockback mechanism actually stops the safety from going up. Now typically you'd have to remove the whole trigger assembly group to remove the safety lever, but I'm going to show you another way that you don't actually have to do that. So I'm in California. Yes, California. I had a fin grip. I took the fin grip off to do this because my thumb rest gets in the way. What we're going to basically do is get this safety lever and rotate it 100 or 270 degrees all the way around past the grip and past the stock, going clockwise to remove it. Now you might want to remove your pistol grip. If you have the ZPAP, I had to use a size 4 bit like this in order to remove it. You can take it off all the way, you don't really need to. And the other tool you're going to need is some type of clamping buoy like this. Mine locks in, which is very useful because we're going to be pinching the safety lever and pulling it around so that we don't scrape up all of our wood. And then of course, trusty old raggedy t-shirt. So the first thing you're going to do, place your t-shirt over this little lip. So the safety selector has a lip right here, and that's what we're going to be grabbing onto when we're doing the rotation. So I put the t-shirt over the lip, clamp on very firmly, make sure I actually have it on the right spot, clamp. Now the main reason we have to do this is there's a little blocking thing right here next to the trigger group. This little notch here is going to prevent us from rotating around, so we're actually going to have to lift the safety lever off the receiver a little bit while we rotate to get past this notch. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to pull this away while lifting and rotating. So I cleared that. Now you want to pull away from while you're rotating as well so you don't scratch up your pistol grip. Cleared that. And now finally I'm going to lift up so that I can clear the stock. Okay, now that that's there, I can remove this clamp and my trusty old t-shirt. Now, once you get it up to the 90-degree position, the safety selector should slide out about 90 degrees, and it comes out. So that is how you remove a fully automatic style safety lever. The gun is not fully automatic, just the safety selector is that kind of style, so it has an extra little piece of metal there on the bottom. So that's how you do it on your YUGO pattern AKs, and now you are able to do other type of work inside the receiver of the gun. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Goodbye.